Welcome back to the Wagwan family. Hope everyone's doing well. So we're outside the Tasty Bites in Marmaris, one of our favourite places to get our late night snacks. Pizza, kebab, you name it.
Homemade chips,
Homemade chips.
original chicken and beef doner kebab, mixed one. We serve it with chips, rice salad as well, and also pita bread.
Yes,
True?
and yes. And we've been here pretty much every night, so we can guarantee it's good.
You eat that one. Thank you very much.
So yeah, if you're looking for something to eat, if you get peckish at night,
as well?
yeah, we'll go in.
Please, I'll go there.
Thank you. What time do you guys close as well?
4 in the morning.
4 in the morning,
Yes.
perfect. So yeah, if you are feeling peckish and you've had a night out and you need something to soak up that alcohol, this place is here till 4 a.m. And like I said, it's got everything on here. And the food is really good.
Mr. Ahmed.
And the staff are really friendly as well.
Always look after you.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you, I'll be very happy to see you.
Thank you. Oh, hang on, you got to turn right. Yeah. Thank you, guys. So, like I said, this little area is more of the, if you're into your Premier League, your football, but again, if you're not, they do still do the normal music and acts and stuff. It's a really nice little area. So we have got Anfield Bar. Really nice team. Hello, evening. Back again. Nice to see you. You've met him before. How you feeling?
Pissed again.
Shot. Yeah, really, really great atmosphere in here. And then we got the
Why you not sitting?
huh?
Why you not sitting?
Because we got to film, we'll come back. We got to film this whole area. We got to film, we'll come back. Your phone?
On
YouTube, yeah?
Ow! I'll come down, I'll come down.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you.
Now you fucking talk.
Yeah, you?
Are you feeling alright, Will? A fellow hoteler from the Mira.
That's the best part.
Yeah, it is the best bar, it is the best bar.
I can't brush my lap.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh,
Hooray!
yeah. Just got yourself a Turkish boy. He'll come back. See you later. Yeah, you got a little takeaway, Mexican and Indian cuisine. And now you got the Manchester bar, another fantastic place. Yay! Yeah, we're doing a little walk around. Albatross bar across the road. Oh, look at you go. Very low. So Albatross bar on the right hand side, and then we come down to the back. Oh, hang on. Steady as he goes. The joys of the Geordie. This is why my accent's off. I'm surrounded by Geordies. Risking it for a biscuit. Absolutely fantastic. This is Albatross. I'm too old for this shit, I get it. Oh, cool, yeah. This is Albatross bar. So you're going to head back towards the big beachfront. So we got Toon Army. So maybe we can have a little boogie. And then you got Black Mirror. And then we got Black Mirror, another popular one. Let's have a little quick look at it. Thank you, thank you. Hiya.
One, two, three, four, five. I like when people take little no time. Reach it in your own hand, even on life. Sex in the cookie home. I'll put my YouTube. We'll make it all, yeah.
Kanalları var mı? Yeni mi abi?
On YouTube as well, so many days.
Okay. I think you.
Thank you. Guys, keep going, guys. So we're going to go back to the main beach front. So we've got the Tigers Beach Club. Nice and busy. They do entertainment, getting buy one, get one free. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. So it's just gone one. We're just doing a little walk around Marmaris, what you can expect in the main square. We did all the sort of sports bars, all the sort of clubs and stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you guys on the next one.